Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I will be using the 3503 by Morphe, and so I will be using that orange and putting it up above the crease area. Then I will be going into my next color of orange and dragging it a little bit down, but still mixing it in with that other color and blending it out. For the next color, I grabbed a smaller blending brush and I used that brownish orange and put it in the crease so I can make it a little bit more darker. Then to make it a little bit more darker, I grabbed that darker brown and I was blending the shades into the crease, and then I grabbed those two to blend out the other orange colors above it, and I grabbed that black just a tiny bit just to darken it up a little bit so it can match with the other side. Then I cut my crease with some just concealer, and I did like a halfway cut crease, if you want to say. Yeah, I'd say it was a halfway cut crease. And then for the next shade, I used that very vibrant orange and I packed it into the inner corner of my lid. And then I took this darker red and put it on the outside of my lid area. Then I got a shimmery orange color and I put it in the middle of the eyelid, but of course I sprayed it a little bit so it could be like, so the color could pop out more. And then I grabbed those colors to like kind of like, so it could be like a dark like around my nose area, because I wanted to do freckles. So that I use that as blush a lot of times. I used to do it, but now I kind of stopped, but I kind of was looking for that color again, so I used it again. And so I was taking random like browns from the Morphe palette that I was using, and I was dotting them on my face so I could create freckles. Then I used the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. That is my favorite highlighter from them. That's actually my only highlighter from them. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So then for the lips, I used the Anna lipstick from the Frozen collection with ColourPop. And then I dabbed a little bit of 818 from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and I blended it in with my finger. But yeah, here is the finished look and I hope you guys love it. Leave a like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get reminders of when I post. And thanks for watching. Bye.